Our lesson today, Atoms and Energy, Part 2. The two types of nuclear energy. Number 1, nuclear fission. Number 2, nuclear fusion. What about the nuclear fission? The splitting of a nucleus into two or more pieces when struck with the moving neutrons. So this is neutron, and just when struck with the nuclei, it's produce more pieces and also free neutrons. These are free neutrons, and also these free neutrons just struck with another nuclei to produce free neutrons and also produce high amount of energy. If enough large nuclei, the neutrons released by one splitting atom can strike additional nuclei, causing these additional nuclei to split. These nuclei release more neutrons than split more nuclei, as you see here. A single neutron can start a series of events because you know that neutrons strike the nucleus, and this also produce more free neutrons to strike with another nuclei and produce energy. The product keeps the reacting going. Because the forces of an atomic nucleus are strong and produce much energy. The second, nuclear fusion. So, splitting nuclei of heavy atoms into smaller nuclei release energy. So you will find the light nuclei fuse together to form a heavy nuclei. So this is light nuclei just fuse together to form the heavy nuclei, and also the energy is produced. This energy to merge nuclei with the smaller masses to form a greater nucleus mass. How is the radioactivity used? Number 1, radiation can damage or destroy the genetic information, like deformation. Doctors detect the diseases and can locate the diseases, radioactive body like the X-rays, and detect the cancer tumors, because you know the cancer is a very dangerous disease. Radioactive materials are used to produce electricity. In nuclear power plant, you know that how the electricity is produced just when or inside the nuclear power plants or factories, you will find just the high amount of heat energy to heat water and produce a large amount of water vapor, and this rush out to run and rotate turbine, and when the turbine rotates, it also connect with the generator, and also the generator rotate and run and produce electricity. In nuclear reactors, atoms are split in controlled chain reaction. This releases a great amount of heat energy, so it must be controlled. Why or how to control this? By cooling. Without cooling, the nuclear reactor will destroy. The protection. So the people who work with the radioactive materials use lead sheets shield against the harmful effect of long-term exposure, and it must wear this suit just to protect them from the invisible rays, and this suit contain masks, gloves, and this is a suitable suit just to protect the people from the invisible rays. This is the difference between the fission and the fusion. So here you will find the fission, just the neutron struck with the nuclei, and this is just divided into pieces, and also the energy is produced. So split a large atom into two or more smaller ones. And what about the fusion? So you will find just two fuse with each other to form heavy nuclei, and also the energy is produced. Join two or more lighter atoms into a large one. Thank you and goodbye.